Hi, Megan here. This is my third try at narrowing it down to 3 minutes, so I'll try my best again. First learning objective for this chapter was distinguishing between sensation and perception. Sensation is detecting the information in the environment, so the senses, the sight, taste, touch. And then the perception is when you apply meaning to the sensations. And another important concept, which I believe was the next learning objective, transduction. That's when it converts the light, smell, pressure, etc. into neural impulses or action potentials. And once that transduction takes place, the impulse gets to the brain, and then the information is processed, and that's where the perception occurs. So you get meaning for the experiences. And then the chapter also mentions visible light, the little bit we're able to see on the electromagnetic spectrum. One end is gamma, that's higher frequency. Other end is AM radio waves, that's lower frequency. We're sandwiched in the middle there. And we actually see quite a few color hues, and it's rather impressive. 5% of all males are colorblind. Fun tidbit. Then learn the structures of the eye and ear. For the eye, sclera, cornea, iris, lens. Lens is important because the lens changes shape to get the light to hit part of the eye, the back of the eye, and that's accommodation. So when there's something near, the lens will thicken and the ciliary muscle will contract and the pupil will constrict. Anterior chamber, when there's more pressure, that's glaucoma. Posterior chamber, and then retina is where the rods and cones are. Rods are for nighttime vision, cones are for daytime. There's way more cones. Optic disc is the blind spot. Myopia is nearsightedness. Presbyopia is farsightedness. Lateral inhibition, new part I learned in this chapter, was when the horizontal cells send inhibitory signals to the surrounding cells. So it focuses on just what it's receiving from that one original photoreceptor. And main point of this chapter was physical energy, so light, a touch, etc., contacts the receptor, and then transduction takes place. The signal is sent to a neural impulse to the brain, and then the brain will analyze that and apply meaning to it, perception. And I think that sums it up pretty well.